Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To take the blade off, place it perpendicular to the arm and push. Put the arm back down carefully onto a previously positioned folded paper towel. To put in the new one, slide the blade onto its housing. Delicately place it down onto the windscreen. Lift the wiper blade arm up. Incline the blade to 45 degrees. With the thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. To put the new one in place, clip the blade into its housing. Put the blade onto the windscreen. Operation completed.